Hey, I'm Big Jeff. You already know that, but I got something really, really cool to bring and talk about, and some of y'all might have seen it already. We let the cat out of the bag. It's been something in production. Well, not production, designing, tooling, and everything else for the last few months. We kept it quiet, but we're coming out with our first real car audio product, not just some swag with a name on it. These are actually in production right now and should be done by Black Friday. But proud to announce we have our own lithium battery. If you go to our website, bigjeffaudio.com, and on the top banners, you'll see it right there. It is unlike anything you've seen before. It was designed and tooled for us. This wasn't us slapping our name on something else.